Alright, what's up, y'all? I got my cross member today. It's a knockoff G-Force, so I want to open the box up and see how it looks. Alright, well, let me get the opening. You gotta bear with me here. Let me set my iPad down. Alright, let's open it. Now the box was all beat up like this. So I hope all the bolts and stuff come with it. Alright. Oh yeah, the bolts are in here. Like it may have gotten wet or something. It's kind of got some rust on it, but that really don't matter. Seems to be of good quality. Let me get it out this plastic so you guys can see it. Sorry for all the bouncing around, but it's kind of hard for me to do this and hold my iPad. But this is a knockoff G-Force. To be honest, I actually thought about making some of these. Seems like it's very easy to copycat. But so far, it looks good. Yeah, they made sure these bolts wasn't gonna get lost. I'm trying to cut this tape off with my file. I got all my tools in my truck. Alright. I got the bolts to bolt it to the frame and for the transmission mount. Well, it looks good. It looks just like a G-Force cross member. I guess the only thing is missing is a sticker. Now, G-Force cross members are, man, the prices done went through the roof. It's I want to say like maybe $400 to $500 now for a G-Force cross member. But man, this is just as good. I just hope it's made you know, to the same exact specs. Sometimes when they make these knockoff ones, it ain't exactly the same. But if that's the case, then I'll just do what I got to do to make it fit. But it looks good. I could find a link and post the link with it. I don't know how many the guy had left. But when I saw it for $179, I jumped on it. Now the only thing that I need to buy is the little extension piece for the driver's side. Because on, I think 78 to, I want to say 80 or 81, they don't have the extra set of holes on the driver's side. So you got to buy that little extension bar. And that's what I'm going to buy. sometime in the near future. I have the transmission for it. It's a good transmission. It come out of a Silverado. I just need to clean it up, maybe pop some new seals in it, a new filter, new pan gasket, and clean it up and put it on in the car. And then when I get my engine back, set the engine down in there and line the two up, and away you go. I'll let y'all go. Just wanted y'all to see what I was doing. And I slapped some paint on this battery tray just to see how it would look. I'm gonna buy a new one. It's got too many craters in it. All right, y'all, peace.